Alexa, turn on the pool table.
Did you mean pool room?
Yes.
Okay.
Alexa, play some music.
Here's a station you might like. All 2010s on Amazon Music.
Alexa, turn on I'm Home. Hey everyone, just back with another video, just showing off the smart switch and scene voice control with Alexa. In this new property that was swapped out a lot of switches for, it's a bit of an older home, so it's just an old switch swapping out for a new switch. We've also got a Ring doorbell camera, which when pressed, pulls up on the Alexa device, which is great. We also, in the pool room, we have an Alexa built in the ceiling, so that's going to give you voice, music, volume, and obviously the voice command of the lights throughout the home and whatnot. Real excited, we are back. Sorry there hasn't been a lot of videos. Sorry that the audio on this one's pretty poor. We don't have the microphone, but I thought I'd get something out there to let you know that we're going. We also have a new switch coming, HomeKit enabled smart switch in New Zealand. I know, unheard of. I don't think there's any others, so we're really excited for that to come in October. It's a good looking switch, and we're really excited just to expand this range of smart home products that are affordable. You can retrofit to your home. You could potentially DIY the setup process, get an electrician to install it, of course. But that's kind of an overview. Good to be back. Bit of a show here. I might do a close-up of the switch, but you've seen them in the other videos. But thanks for tuning in. Alexa, turn on I'm Leaving. See ya.